Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you can attach to the JVM process. Install a matching JDK and put jcmd/jmap on your path. Once done, locate the target PID with JPS or PS and confirm you have permission. Make the first decision now. Do you need a heap dump, a thread dump, or a full process snapshot? That choice determines the tool and flags you'll use. While you do this, prepare a writable output directory and sufficient disk space for potentially large hprof files. You now capture the snapshot using the appropriate tool. For heap dumps, prefer jcmd PID-GC, heap dump file name. hprof because it's less intrusive. Alternatively, use jmap dump, format equals B, file equals, on older JDKs. If the process is remote, enable JMX or run the command over SSH, or use JADH to avoid restarting. Consider compressing the output or piping through gzip to save space. Make sure you pick a time with acceptable load because large dumps can pause the JVM. Verify the file completes and has non-zero size. You finish by analyzing the snapshot with Eclipse MAT or Visual VM. Once loaded, focus on the biggest dominator tree and suspect retention paths to find leaks or abnormal growth. If the dump failed, check common causes: insufficient permissions, JDK version mismatch, process exiting, or no disk space, and then retry using a Java agent to trigger the dump from inside the JVM. One key troubleshooting tip: before dumping, run jcmd PID VM. Heap info or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.